Welcome to Leo's Playtime! Hi, Leo! What do we have here today?
Gold surprise egg!
A giant gold surprise egg! How exciting! Can you shake it? What's inside? Shake it.
Those eggs.
I wonder what's inside. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I wonder what's inside.
We'll crack it open.
You want to crack it open? Okay, open it. An egg? What kind of egg is that?
Green.
It's a green egg. Let's take a look.
Sour egg.
It's a sour egg. Okay, what else is in there?
Other egg.
Another egg. That's a fuzzy egg.
Hair on it. Orange.
It has hair on it. Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. So you're telling me this giant egg had these two little eggs in there?
2 sour eggs.
2 sour eggs? What's inside of these sour eggs? I wonder what's in there. Is it sour worms?
A sour seal.
Okay, what do you want to open first?
Wait.
Warheads? Okay, let's open it first. Okay, open this Easter egg.
Whoa. We'll open this thing.
Yes, open it.
Ew. Good egg.
Let's put it with our golden egg. What is that?
It's 2 tubes.
We have some Warheads Chewy Cubes. They have 6 flavors. And what else do we have?
Watermelon spray.
We got a super sour watermelon spray. What else do we get?
It's sour. This something.
Extreme sour hard candy. Ooh, these are the super sour ones.
It's doing the sour.
Are you ready? What do you want to try first? You want to try the spray first? Okay, let's open it.
Whoa.
Ready? Let me try. Here's, let me spray it. Ready? 1, 2. Is it sour? Let's see, let's try again. 1, 2.
Good.
It's good? Is it super sour?
No. It's not sour.
It's not too sour?
It's super sour. Blue cookie.
Okay, now let's try. You want to try the chews?
Yeah, it's not sour.
Okay. Open it up.
Whoa.
Ooh, these look pretty cool. Ooh, that one got stuck. Maybe these are blueberry or orange. Oh, look, you only got 2 of the grapes. Okay, which one are you gonna try first?
You want it?
Okay. Is it sour?
Yes.
What does it taste like?
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry?
Oh. That's sour.
It's not sour anymore?
No.
Which one are you gonna try now?
Black cherries.
Black cherry? Try it. Is it sour? No?
Let's try oats. Let's try
I think that one's a watermelon. And these are the Warheads chews. Are they good?
Yeah.
Really, really good? Let me see. Let me try one of these.
Did you look at your face? Stop it?
It's just a little bit sour.
It's gone? So this gone?
This is strawberry. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, we should try the next candy. Okay, it's time for the last Warheads candy.
You saw it. Wow. Woman.
Oh, I think these are the extreme sour ones.
Yeah.
These ones are gonna make your mouth hurt. What flavors do we have?
Lemon.
Lemon,
Lemon.
watermelon,
Blue raspberry.
blue raspberry. Which one do you want to try? Lemon? Oh my god. Are you sure?
This is so
Okay, put it in your mouth. Are you okay? Does your mouth hurt? Are you okay?
Ew.
Are you okay?
It's your mama.
My turn. No. You want my turn?
Yeah.
You want me to do it? Ooh. I don't think I want to do it. Do you want to try the next flavor?
No.
No. It hurts your mouth?
What you want? Woman.
I don't want watermelon. I don't want the sour candy.
Yeah, you.
I do not want to try this because it makes your mouth hurt. Leo, did your mouth hurt? Like a lot or a little bit?
A lot.
It hurt a lot. Now it's time to try the Trolli Fuzzy egg. Woohoo! Okay, are you ready to open it? Ooh, let's take a quick look. Dun dun dun. Trolli, 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 Trolli. Trolli Sour Bright Crawler Minis. Okay, let's open it, Leo.
Like troll's head. Like troll's hair.
Like a troll's hair?
Yeah. Wow.
Woohoo! Ooh, what's inside? Oh, woohoo! Those are a lot of creepy crawlers. Do you think they're gonna be sour?
No.
No? Okay, open them.
Wow. Try watermelon and blue raspberry. Wow.
Woohoo!
I tried watermelon and raspberry.
Okay.
That's sour.
Not sour?
No.
Let me try one. These are good.
And grape and strawberry and lemon.
Strawberry lemon.
Yeah. So, we got apple and orange.
Green apple and orange. I don't think these are really sour.
The baby rims.
I think the Warheads chewy squares are a little bit more sour, aren't they?
Yeah.
Sour extreme candy. It's the hard candy, kids. It hurts your mouth. You see like how that little guy is in the picture?
What?
That was Leo. You see that, Leo? That was your face.
Yeah.
That was your face. Look. Look at the little guy.
Like me.
These are good.
It's moving.
It's moving the sour worms. Okay, Leo. Which one was your favorite sour candy? Was this your favorite candy?
No.
Okay, we had the hard candy, the spray, the Warhead Chews, and the Trolley Creepy Crawlers. Which one was your favorite?
Trolley.
The Trolley Creepy Crawlers? How many stars do you give that one?
5 stars.
5 stars for the Sour Bright Crawlers. Now, which one was the one that you did not like? How many stars do you give that one?
0 stars.
0 stars? Why do you give it 0 stars?
Just don't hurt your mouth.
It was extremely sour and it hurt your mouth. Okay, kids, well now you know. Leo did not like these Warhead Extreme Sour Hard Candies.
Ew.
These did not make thumbs down for that one. Now it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Subscribe. Until next time, give this video a thumbs up if you like sour candy.